In our topic Hero's formula, there are some examples, and all these examples are NCERT examples. The first example is that students of a school staged a rally for cleanliness campaign. They walked through the lanes in two groups. One group walked through the lanes AB, BC and CA. Means here AB, BC and CA, like this they walked. Then the other group through AC, CD and DA. Here AC, CD and DA as shown in the figure. Then they clean the area enclosed within their lanes. Then they clean the area enclosed within their lanes. If AB is 9 meter, BC is 40 meter, CD is equal to 15 meter, DA is equal to 28 meter, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Then which group clean more area and by how much? By how much? Find the total area cleaned by the students. Here it is given that they clean the area enclosed within their lanes. Here AB, the lane AB, and the students along the AB, along the BC and along the AC, they clean the area, and the area is nothing but the area of the triangle. While the second group walked through lanes AC, CD and DA. Here AC, CD and DA means, and they clean the area, means the area of the triangle ACD. Means we have to find the area of triangle ABC as well as triangle ACD. Here it is given that angle B is a 90 degree and therefore angle ABC is a right angle triangle. But here to find the area, means triangle ACD is not a right angle triangle, so we can't apply the area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. Here we can apply the triangle formula only for triangle ABC, that is 1/2 base into height, because there is AB is the height and BC is the base. But such a situation is not in a triangle ADC, so we must find the length of AC, and to find the length of AC we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So here we will apply first. Here in a triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, it is given, and therefore by Pythagoras theorem we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Here AB is 9, so 9 square plus BC is a 40 square, and therefore AC square is equal to 81 plus 1600, that is equal to 1681. Sum of 81 and 1600 is 1681, and therefore taking square root on both sides we will get square root of AC square is AC and square root of 1681 is 41. So AC is equal to 41. Here we got the value of AC, that is equal to 41 meter. And now first of all we will find the area of the triangle ABC, because we can apply the formula, simple formula of area, that is 1/2 base into height, because here AB is height and BC is the base. So here area triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 BC into AB, and that is equal to 1/2 into 40. That because BC is 40 and AB is 9. Here so 40 divided by 2, it will be 20, and 20 nines are 180 meter square. So area of triangle is equal to 180 meter square. Now here we will find the area of triangle ACD by Hero's formula, because we know the length of all the three sides, and if length of only sides is given, all the sides is given, then we can apply Hero's formula. Here in a triangle ACD, AC is 41, CD is 15 and AD is 28 meter, and therefore semi-perimeter S is equal to 41 plus 15 plus 28 divided by 2. The sum of numerator is 84 divided by 2, and 84 upon 2 means 42. So semi-perimeter S is equal to 42 meter. 42 meter. And now here we can find the area of triangle ADC by Hero's formula, that is under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, that is equal to under root 42 into 42 minus 41, because A is 41 here, then 42 minus 15, then 42 minus 28. We will get here under root 42 into 42 minus 41 is 1, 42 minus 15 is 27, and 42 minus 28 is equal to 14. And therefore, if we factorize 42, 27 and 14, we will get here 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. So factors of 42. Then 27, here 9 3s are 27 and 14 can be written as 7 2s are. Here 2 and this 2 means 2 2s are 4. So square root of 4 is 2. Here 3 into 3, that is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Again 9 is there. So square root of 9 is again 3. 7 7s are 49. So square root of 49 is 7. And if we multiply 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, we will get the product 126 meter square. So area of triangle ADC we got here is 126 meter square. So here in the first group, which were along the triangle ABC, they clean 180 meter square, area of 180 meter square, and second group clean 126 meter square. So the first group clean more area, means 180 minus 126. Here 180 minus 126, it will be 54 meter square more area cleaned by first group than the second group. And now total area clean is equal to 180 meter square plus 126 meter square, and that is equal to 306 meter square. So in this way we have find the or solve the first example here. Now there is one more example here. It is given that a kite in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and sides 6 centimeter each is to be made of 3 different shades as shown in the figure. Here triangle 1 means ABC, that is the shade 1, Then triangle ADC, that is shade 2, and triangle DEF as a shade 3. Here, how much paper of each shadow has been used in it? Here, diagonal AC and DD of the square are given. We know that the property of square is that the diagonals of the square are perpendicular bisectors of each other, means they bisect in a right angle triangle. Here it is, if the two diagonals they are intersecting each other at O, that is AC and BD, they are intersecting at O, then we know that OA equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD, and that is equal to 16 centimeter, because total length of the diagonal is 32. So half of the 32 means 16. So OA is equal to 16, OB is equal to 16, OC is equal to 16, as well as OD is equal to 16. Here at the base, that is the third shade of the kite, is given that here the length of DE and DF is 6 centimeter each, and therefore triangle DEF is an isosceles triangle, and its base EF is given 8 centimeter. So first of all, we will write the answer. Here diagonals of the square are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Just now I have told you the property of the square. Then OA equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to 16 centimeter each, and therefore area of region 1, here if we consider the triangle ABC, then base will be AC and OB is the height. Here we know that this is the perpendicular, so OB will be height and AC it will be the base of triangle ABC. Then we can find the area of region 1, that is equal to 1/2 base into height is equal to 1/2 into base is AC into height is OB, 1/2 into length of AC is 32 into length of OB, that is the height is 16 centimeter. So if we divide 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are, so we will get here 32 into 8, it will be 256 centimeter square. So area of the first region, which is triangular, that is triangle ABC, we will get the area 256 centimeter square. Then area of region second, again here AC is the base and OD is the height. AC is 32 and OD is 16. So same here figures are there. So here area of region 2, it will be 256 centimeter square. Now we are in a triangle, means to find the area of region 3, that is area of the triangle DEF, A is equal to DE, here A is the DE, then B is equal to EF, and that is equal to 8 centimeter, and C is equal to DF, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Here S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, and that is equal to 6 plus 8 plus 6 upon 2. Here 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 6 is 20, 20 upon 2 is equal to 10 centimeter. So that is the semi perimeter of the triangle DEF. And now we will find the area by Hero's formula, that is equal to area triangle DEF is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And now substituting the values, we will get here under root S is 10 into 10 minus A is 6 into another bracket S minus B means 10 minus 8, S minus C means 10 minus 6. So 10 into 10 minus 6, it will be 4. 10 minus 8, it will be 2, and 10 minus 6 again 4. Here 10 can be written as, or we can factorize 10. We will get 5 into 2. Then I have written here 2. Then 4 into 4 as it is. So here 2 to the 4, so square root of 4 is 2. Again 4 for the 16, square root of 16 is 4. And write root 5 as it is. So 2 for the 8 root 5 centimeter square is the area of the region 3, and therefore we will get here area of region 3 is equal to 8 root 5 centimeter, or we can write here 8 into, and the value of root 5 is 2.23 centimeter, means it will give the product 17.84 centimeter square. So in this way we have find the area, and if we add, means area of 256 plus 256 plus 17.84 centimeter square, we will get how much paper of each shade is we have calculated here. And if we are asked to find the total area of the paper, then we have to add all the areas. Understand? So here now we have to see the third example here given, that is